My name is Robert Ross. I'm a recovering on-call engineer and founder of FireHydrant, and right now I'm on call and I'm about to get paged. In FireHydrant, all of the on-call schedules, escalation policies, and alert rules belong to a team. They have complete jurisdiction over their rotations, the policies, and they also can request coverage from the other teammates within the team. And in this scenario, I'm actually just going to send myself a request as if I just got paged by an observability tool. You can see on the top right, these are the text messages that I have on my phone. And at the bottom right, this is actually Slack that's hooked up to my account. And FireHydrant allows me to really easily receive these alerts and acknowledge them or actually promote them into an incident. Because in FireHydrant, alerts are not incidents. They are completely separate objects. We can see that when I actually reply to this text message with, yes, please open an incident for me. On the left side here, we'll see that it's going to create a new incident and associate it to this alert. When we go into the incident, we're now in incident management land, where FireHydrant will run all of our process, such as create a Slack channel, create a Jira Cloud issue, create a Zoom meeting. And in Slack, we can see this new channel has actually been created for us. FireHydrant will create these incident channels and record everything that's going on in them, every chat message, every command, and actually put them in your incident timeline. The reason that we do that is we don't want you spending a whole lot of time during a retrospective copying and pasting things into a document. So if I say something such as, we deployed a bad config, we'll actually see it in Slack and immediately over in our timeline. And if Slack goes down, you can use this too. What's also really nice about FireHydrant is we've included a service catalog at the center of the product since day one. That allows us to do really interesting things such as status page updates, as well as hooking them into runbooks. In this case, I'm actually going to change the number of customers impacted on this incident, which I already have a runbook set up to automatically update the status page as well. You can see that we immediately added the runbook, the value, once that value changed to 90%, pretty bad. And if we go to my public status page at status.bybitables.io, we'll actually see this new incident has been published for me on the page. Now, when you resolve an incident in FireHydrant, you can do that either via Slack or actually in the UI, you jump immediately into a retrospective where you can fill out all types of details about that incident. We'll give you information such as all of the milestones that and the timing in between each of them. If there are critical events that were added to the incident, we'll show them on the right side of the timeline as well. You can add things such as contributing factors to the incident, or if you have very specific needs, you can customize the retro experience with lessons learned with different types of fields and values. Tasks also allow you to add follow-ups that will sync to your ticketing provider, such as Jira. And if you change the state in Jira, it'll actually bidirectionally sync back to FireHydrant, so you can find incidents that have incomplete action items. We also have change events where you can associate things like GitHub pull requests or even a Kubernetes change, so you can see what broke production and then what fixed it. Once you publish it, we'll send an email, we can send it to Google Docs or even Confluence, and then we'll automatically update all of the analytics about your organization at the same time. So we can see here that FireHydrant is tracking your mean time to detect, acknowledge, mitigate, and even resolve. And we do think we can group it by the services that are impacted, the environments, functionalities, team severity, and a lot of other facets within your account. What's also nice is that we track alerts in a very unique way. Because alerts and incidents are separate, we can allow you to actually see how many alerts you sent and how many were actually converted into a real incident. So you can go out and stamp out all of the noisy alerts coming from your observability tools. And that's just a quick overview of FireHydrant going from ring to retro. Create a free account or reach out to sales to get a demo that suits you.